Welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
And today, we're gonna tour the St. Augustine History Museum.
Guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button right down here. Give this video a big thumbs up and please share these videos with your friends. We really appreciate it.
There was so much to see in Old Town at St. Augustine. We even found a gator, which Keith quickly wrangled and saved the day. You can just call me the Gator Whisperer. As you enter the trading post, there is so much to see, your eyes don't know where to look first. As you walk down the hallway that leads to the restrooms, the halls are lined with coin-operated machines that were old antiques. It was unbelievable that they all were still in operation. Even if you didn't go into the History Museum, it was worth going into the trading post and walking down the hallway to the restrooms to see all of these wonderful antiques. In the hallways, you also found old antique posters that were framed and hung along the walls. As you enter the History Museum, the first thing you run into is an old Model T and a covered wagon. This museum was free for all those who rode the Old Town trolley. You just scanned your ticket to enter. Most of the museum was filled with narration and various animal sounds as you walk through the displays. The colonial-era British and American pioneer settlers were referred to as Florida crackers. The first crackers arrived in 1763.
To a place where wooden ships grow, the high seas play out adventure and drama. Spanish sailors returning with treasures from the New World chart their vessels north through Florida's Gulf Stream. In the distance, off the port side, are sandy beaches, flowering tropical forests, and sometimes hiding within the foliage, pure as gold.
We have never seen so many Native American artifacts and early American artifacts all in one place. This museum was much larger and had much more to see than what we realized. This museum was quite popular, and as you can imagine, the horse was a big hit with the children. There was so much to see, and we learned so much of the history of St. Augustine. There was a whole family tree of Henry Flagler and a lot of his personal possessions as he was instrumental in the growth of St. Augustine. If you have a love of history and love seeing old artifacts, we highly recommend visiting this museum. Thank you so much for joining us today on the St. Augustine History Museum tour.
This place was amazing. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe right over here. Push that button. Give this video a big thumbs up. And please share these videos with your friends.
We'll see you next time on Retired and Loving It.